Any rug can be a great investment. The following criteria are important in determining the value of a rug: origin, age, condition, quality, beauty, and uniqueness within class. Place of origin is useful, but plays only a small role in value. In general, if two pieces of equivalent size, condition, quality, and beauty are equal, the older will have a higher value because it is probably rarer. Quality, i.e. knot density, weaving, etc., is variable within class, so higher quality connotes higher value. Within any class of rugs, multiple designs exist, and most are fairly common and similar in execution. But there are those truly unique and rare cases, and these always increase value. Finally, if we have two pieces of the same or similar design, the most beautiful in execution will receive a higher value.